In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth icon shine animation using Fusion in DaVinci Resolve. It's a quick and effective way to add a bit of polish and motion to any icon or graphic. Start by selecting your clip in the timeline, then head over to the Fusion page. In the node editor, click on the Media in One node to highlight it. Now press Shift and Space to bring up the Select Tool window. Search for Glow and hit Add. With the Glow node selected, press Shift and Space again, and this time search for Rectangle to add a mask. The rectangle will define the shape and motion of the shine effect. Now go to the inspector and adjust the width and height of the rectangle to stretch it into a thin, horizontal bar that spans across your icon. This shape will act as the shine strip. Still in the inspector, rotate the rectangle using the angle control if you want a diagonal shine, or leave it at 0 for a straight pass. Next, we'll animate the position. Move to the first frame of your clip and click the keyframe icon next to the center parameter. Then drag the rectangle all the way to the left or top, depending on the direction of your shine. Move the playhead forward about 1 second, then drag the rectangle to the opposite side so it slides across the entire icon. To soften the edges of the glow, increase the soft edge value in the inspector. This makes the shine blend more naturally into the graphic. And that's it. You now have a smooth, professional-looking shine animation for your icon in DaVinci Resolve.